Well, hello, and happy National Pink Day. Today is National Pink Day, and I wanted to come to you live and share with you a sun-kissed glam look. And I also have some specials as well for this special day. So in Mary Kay, you know, iconic color is actually pink. And today is just the perfect day to go live and share with you a tutorial with this sun-kissed look. So let's go ahead, jump in and get started. Here are the colors for the sun-kissed look. This is actually a glam look that's all put together in this cute little compact here, but I wanted to let you know that using this, you can actually just use some of the colors, all of the colors for this look. So be creative and choose what you want to, but this is also on the Pink Day special as well as one of the half price items. I wanna make sure that you got to see this. So the colors that are in here, and I'll make sure to put these in the description in the comments so you know which colors they are as well. On the left-hand side here, this one is the Candlelight. The one in the middle is Hazelnut. And then this one over here is Rose Gold. And then down here, we have something called Burnished Bronze, and then Golden Mauve and Mahogany. So beautiful colors. I'm not going to use all of them, but I will show you what look I have for you today, so you'll see. But this one here is called Honey Glow. These are contouring colors and highlighters. So this one is Latte. This is kind of more of a contour color, and then this one here is called Honey Glow. It's a great color look for the summertime. So this is all about summer because I have a feeling no matter where you're tuning in from, it's probably hot where you are right now. I'm in beautiful sunny California and very happy that we are back to our normal 80-degree weather. However, I know that there are a lot of people out there, you included. Let me know who is in a place where it is over 100 degrees. I want to know in the comments. Are you staying inside out of the sun and into the air condition, or are you trying to get outside because you haven't seen the sun in forever, it seems? So I want to know from you. Type in the comments. So let's go ahead and jump in. I'm going to show you this look. It won't take long because it's very, very simple. I've already, of course, taken care of my skin with my Voluform Repair Set and a mixture of some Clinical Solutions boosters. I always use those on my skin. They're just magical in my opinion. I love them and they just really help my skin. So that's my favorite skincare. I always like to remind people that your makeup game will never be a 10 if your skincare game is a 2. So you have to remember that no matter what color you put on, that taking care of the skin underneath, that's what you're going to have forever. Colors change, right? But the skin that you have, you're going to have it for the rest of your life. So make sure to take care of that first and foremost. So if you have not tried one of our skincare sets, then definitely comment below. Let me know. Just type the word skin and I will make sure to get you a sample of our skincare and make sure that we get the customized one that's best for you. I just have a super quick, like 3 or 4 question survey so that I can customize the skincare set so it is appropriate for your skin type, and then you can try the skincare. I always like to make sure that we know that no matter what, you've got to take great care of your skin first. So now let's play with some color. I do already have my mascara on, and I also have my deep brown waterproof eyeliner as well. So I have it just kind of tight lined underneath my eyelashes here and a little bit inside. So that's what I've got on so far, in addition to, of course, my brows are done already. I do have some concealer that's on my lids just to kind of matte out the palette there. And then on my lips, I actually have a lip gloss color that's great for the summer. It's a great neutral. It's called Beach Bronze. That's what I've got on so far. So we're going to jump in and get some color on our eyelids here. So the first color I'm going to use is just to get the palette. We're going to use the Hazelnut, and I'm going to use this soft fluffy brush. So I'm just going to use the Hazelnut color. This is actually a matte. And for this, do a little bit, just kind of brush it on the lid like that. And I'll do that on both here. I'm going to use this little mirror because it's closer. So this one and Mahogany are 2 colors in this palette that are not shimmer. Okay. All the others have some shimmer to them. For some people, this may be a perfect look to go out just kind of feeling a little sun-kissed. So it's just very, very natural. I love hazelnut. Every woman could use hazelnut. Every skin tone would be great using hazelnut. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take this little brush here. This is more like a smudger brush. And I'm gonna use the color Golden Mauve, which is this one down at the bottom left here. And I'm gonna use that in the crease just to kind of give it a little bit more dimension in the look. And I'm using this type of wand because I want a little bit more concentrated color. I'm gonna go back, of course, and blend, but I wanna make sure that there's a little definition between the crease color, this one I'm putting on, which is the golden mauve, and the hazelnut. So there we go. And I will, of course, blend it out, like I said. So that just kind of gives you a little bit more definition in the crease there. And then from there, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my all over eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna use this, my latest favorite color, which is the rose gold. And I'm gonna put that right on my lid and kind of towards the inner corner. And I like a little shimmer, so I love putting this color kind of on this little area here. So you kind of have like 3 different shades going on. You have this shimmer with the rose gold towards the center, the hazelnut, a little matte neutral, and then more of a definition color, the golden mauve in the crease. So that is how I'm using this palette today for my eyes. So now I'm gonna take all over puffy brush here and just kind of blend it a little bit more just to soften any edges that I have, which looks pretty good, but just to make sure we got all those little corners all softened up. There we are. Okay, so we're coming alive with some color here. And then I'm actually going to just mix these 2 colors together with my cheek brush. I'm gonna apply just a little bit on kind of the top of my cheek. So this would be where the sun mostly, right, would hit your cheeks. So I'm just putting a little bit at the top like that, just to kind of blend it out. Ooh, now we got some definition here. Bronzing it up. All right, I'm just gonna kind of soften that a little bit. One tip I have for you when it comes to cheek colors and bronzers and all that is just make sure you don't get it too low. You want it really kind of at the very corners of the cheeks here, not too close to your eyes, and then definitely not too close to your nose, because that will kind of draw the eye down, and we want everything to look vibrant and awake and sun-kissed, right, with this look. So I love this little palette. These are great neutrals to use throughout the year, but this is a quick and easy way to do a little sun-kissed glamour look. So let me know what you think about this look, and if you tried these colors before, any of these your favorites, let me know in the comments. And I want you to make sure that you know, because of National Pink Day, we have specials for you. So make sure to type any comments that you have about this look or questions that you have, just makeup related, skincare related. Remember to get your skincare samples if you haven't already by just typing skin in the comments. And if you would like this glam look, I do have some samples that I could also send out as well. So you can either reach out to your beauty consultant, or if you don't have one, you can reach out to me as well. Just type in Sunkissed in the comments and I will reach out to you. You can actually try it at home. So thank you guys so much for joining me for today's beauty tip in under 10 minutes, almost. So have a great one. Happy National Pink Day to everyone. Check with your beauty consultant for some awesome specials that she has. I know she's got a great gift for you, and I will catch you next time. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching. I would love for you to like, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. Every week I give you beauty tips, I give you movement tips, and I help you elevate your mindset. So if you'd like to give your confidence a boost, make sure to subscribe to this channel and you will get notified every time I post a video. I also have a free beauty gift for you, so check out the description below. There are also links to everything that I used in this video as well, so you can get your hands on those. I will see you next time.